iPhone 14 unboxing, camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. Hey Apple fans, Apple Sheep, and anyone else out there watching. Richard here with another episode of iTalk, and in this one we are unboxing my brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max, and we're going to do some first impressions, and it's coming up right after the intro. All right, we're back, and let's get started. Handy dandy little, whatever this thing's called.
Box knife?
Box knife, yeah, that's it. Well, that's what we're doing. We're opening a box.
Yeah.
So I guess that is appropriate to call it a box knife. Okay. And got some bubble wrap. Play with. It's not working. Oh, there we go. All right. And here we are. And I got it in purple. So I hope I like it. It looks nice on pictures, but let's see what it looks like in real life. And I just got mine with the minimum 256 gigs because I looked at my 13 Pro Max and I've only used about a third of the space on it, so I didn't need a 512 or certainly not a 1 gig or 2 gig, that's for sure. Ooh, I like that purple. That is sharp.
1 gig?
Take a look at that. I think so, yeah. They have a 1 gig iPhone. I don't think they have 2 gigs. I don't know why I said 2 gig, but they have a 1 gig. Yeah. Look at that. That is sharp. And as always, well, it still comes with a charging cord. So we'll see when Apple gets rid of that. And your gratuitous paperwork. All right, that's it for the unboxing part of this video, and I'm gonna take this thing down to AT&T and let them set it up for me because, hey, I pay them a boatload of money every month, so why not?
How you doing today, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, man. What brings you in today? You got a new iPhone today?
Yep, I'm gonna activate the iPhone 14 Pro Max.
This is the purple.
Yeah.
Oh, man, I like the purple.
So do I. Yeah. Guys, this is Milton, my new friend here at AT&T.
Hey,
he's gonna get my iPhone all set up for me.
Yeah. So you want to transfer your stuff, right?
Yep.
You have the other phone with you? Oh.
Is that a problem?
Slightly, yeah. Okay. So this is the cool thing about the iPhone 14s. So they already have your SIM already in it.
I know.
So it's just going to confirm that this is your number and everything like that.
Yeah, I love the eSIM.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, these are $20 at Walgreens, guys. Just
fold
them up and put them in your little
I used to work there too.
case.
Yeah, honestly, yeah, a lot of people, so it just depends. Like some people, they need help, and so we definitely help them out here. It really just connects to the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and then the other phone, and then everything transfers from there. Yeah, it's kind of hard, man, because especially with the new iPhones, it's like, you know, these are new. So if you didn't pre-order, you're probably going to get it late for sure. A lot of people calling today after the release date, and it's like, you know, we don't have any in stock.
Sorry about your luck.
Yeah, you know, I'm really sorry, but we could definitely order. Like, you know, when it comes to ordering, that's kind of the modern times now is really ordering.
All right, guys, so my friend Milton here at AT&T got this thing all set up and ready to go. So we thank him for his help. And he's the wizard.
I try, man, I try.
All right, hey guys, we are back, and big, huge, humongous shout out to Milton at AT&T for, one, just getting this thing set up for me and transferring everything. So he did a great job, and we really thank him for being willing to participate in the video as well. So again, big shout out to Milton. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. 3 big changes on the iPhone 14 Pro Max from the 13 Pro Max. Internally, A16 Bionic is one of the big changes. The camera system is a huge change on the 14 Pro Max with a 48 megapixel main camera, increased low light sensitivity for much better low light shots. And the other big thing on the cameras is the optical image stabilization with action mode. So this is really supposed to enhance an already really good image stabilization system on the 13, now on the 14 with action mode and some other image stabilization enhancements. Physically, it's not really very different at all from the 13 Pro Max. As a matter of fact, it's so similar that I took my OtterBox case off of my 13 Pro just to see if it would even work on it. I've never had a case work on a new model of an iPhone, but it actually does. It's a little bit off because the camera housing is moved over about 1 millimeter to the right, and the cameras themselves are slightly bigger. But this will definitely work until I can get a new case for the new phone. So the other big change on the 14 is the screen with, thank goodness, there's no more notch. The notch is nixed. So on the Pro models, on the standard models of the iPhone 14, sorry guys, you still have to put up with the notch. But on the Pro models, the notch is gone, replaced by what Apple is calling the Dynamic Island, which I've had a chance to try it out a little bit, and it's actually pretty cool. It's very interactive, so it works with a ton of apps. It changes shape, it changes size, depending on the app you're using. And so it does actually have some functionality. So it's not just a cutout, but it's actually functional, so which is really nice. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this upgrade. And we'll use it and use the cameras and see what differences we can see with that, and we'll put out another video. So that's it for this unboxing and first impressions of the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Richard. Until the next one, we'll catch you on the flip side. We're out.